In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place and position an image in Adobe Photoshop using Place Embedded. We'll keep this quick and clear, perfect for beginners or anyone who needs a refresher. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an image into your document, position it precisely, and lock it in with confidence. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop. You can launch it from your applications like you normally would. If you already have a document open, great. This will place your image onto a new layer inside that file. If not, you can still place an image, and Photoshop will help you set it up visually on the canvas. Next, head to the top menu and choose File, then Place Embedded. This option imports your image directly into the document and keeps it packaged inside the Photoshop file, which is great for portability. It also places the image as a smart object, meaning you can resize it without permanently degrading quality. If you've ever dragged an image straight into the canvas and worried about losing sharpness, Place Embedded is a safer workflow. In the file browser that appears, select the image you want to use and click Place. Photoshop will drop it into your document with a bounding box around it. If the image is large, Photoshop may automatically fit it to your canvas so you can see the edges. You'll notice a new layer has been created for the placed image, keeping it separate from your background. Now it's time to position and size it. With the Move tool active, tap the V key if needed, drag the image to where you want it. You can grab a corner handle to resize. Photoshop keeps the proportions intact by default, which helps avoid stretching. If you want to scale from the center, hold Option on Mac or Alt on Windows as you drag. To rotate, move your cursor just outside a corner until you see the curved arrow, then click and twist. Use the alignment guides that appear to center your image or line it up with other elements. For finer control, zoom in and nudge with your arrow keys. If you need to pan the canvas while adjusting, hold the spacebar to temporarily access the hand tool. When everything looks right, press Enter or Return to confirm. This commits the placement and locks in your changes. If something doesn't look the way you intended, you can press Escape before confirming to cancel and try again. That's it. Your image is placed, positioned, and ready for whatever comes next.